Just keep wringing out the towel as it gets full of water. It'll help with soaking up more water, because once these rags have too much water soaked up, they start to...
Whatever you do, please do not use one of these brushes. It's the quickest.
I just like to use a normal terry cloth, but for the inside spokes, being that this one has some caked on brake dust, a simple toothbrush will do the trick.
To take an Instagram photo, so he's going to use the foam gun. I think you would probably be better off spending the time with a can of spray wax or like a bottle of spray wax.
All right. Probably flip my windshield wipers on now just to get rid of some of the splatters and whatnot.
Their nature, she peeks out, she peeks out. I don't have a big roof here that I can just park the car under, so, but that's the good thing about Adam.
It's a good time to start cleaning from the top to the bottom, and I'll show you what I mean right now.
We start at the top because on all cars, the bottom is going to be a lot dirtier.
Which is our next lightest color. Same thing, we're going to rinse it off. Put it in the...
Only thing we're missing is clients, girls, the Martinez twins. We need to do some marketing.